Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, if you're new here, hello, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to build a profitable Shopify store using the Turbo theme out of the sandbox. This is one of the premium themes on Shopify which lots of Shopify merchants are using because of its unmatched speed, flexible design and performance, and it costs about $400. Yes, but the juicy part of this video, which I'm so excited to announce to you guys, is that after putting the store together, I'll be giving it out as a giveaway to one of our lucky subscribers. So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe below, like, comment why you need the store, why it's important to you. If you've always wanted to start dropshipping but something like building a Shopify store was holding you back, you could just be a lucky winner. Or you've already started making sales on Shopify and you want to rebrand your product, rebrand your store, you could also be a lucky winner. So mind you, I'm not just giving out the store, I'm also giving it out with the Turbo theme included. Yes, this is a deal. So for now, I'll be making this video into two parts because I don't want to make it very long. So please just stick with me to the next part and I will be announcing our winner soon. But for now, let's get right to business. First thing we'll need to do here is to add our email. So to get our 14 days free trial. And just sit tight. We ask for a password. And sit tight while you're yep. So here we are, and I've been given a 14 days free trial and it starts right about now. So the next thing we'll have to do here is to go to online store. So we're just gonna be fast about it. So and we'll have to upload our theme here. So you see here it asks add theme, so I'll just upload our theme here. Our Dubai building style has been uploaded, published it, and now we customize. So first of all, this is how our store looks like right now. So without wasting much time, the first thing we need to do is to go to our header. So this is our header, and what I'll do here is to take this out and include our free shipping and store contact right up there. So most of our stores we use an app that covers this, so I'm going to untick all this, and then we'll add our logo. Yeah, so here's a logo. You can see our logo gets added. So depending on the size you want your logo to be, you could always increase it or increase it to the max, but I'll leave it at that. Do the same with your mobile. So what I mean here is that if someone wants to search for your store or get something using a mobile phone, it's the same logo that's going to show. Okay, so we'll move on to the next. So this particular part here, this main menu, it's here, and I don't want all this distraction up here. I'll be removing it. So I take them out and untick this in line with logo. Okay, so this part here, if you don't want your logo to have a separate header, that's how you can go about that, which I'll show you right here. So you come down here and untick this particular part. So you see you have our logo here. When I add a banner here, you all see how it looks. So that'll be all. Just save and go back. So here, the next section, we are going to select our banner. Yes. Okay, so here we'll just say 50% off. We'll add shop now. So be aware that you could always change the font and the color to whatever you like. So right here, if you would like to display a different banner on your mobile, you could always select it here, but for now we'll leave it at that. So we'll save our progress and continue. So here it's going to be our collections. It shows on the home page. So what I like to do here, it's just type in something catchy like best pick. When I start adding products, that's when you see the product below here. Talk about your brand right here, but the first thing we will need to do is to upload a banner. Look for another catchy banner. Yeah, so I will take this off and add something like delivering big smiles. You could always add whatever you like about your brand and describe your brand somewhere here below. I'm just going to leave this here. You could describe your brand here, talk about what your brand is all about, but I'll leave that below and take this off. So we are done for now. Save. So here we'll be taking out some of the sections we don't need, and the ones we need we could always add it later. The next section that I would like to add back is our testimonial. So you could just type whatever section you need. Yeah, and it will be added back. You can see right here. You can see right here. Testimonials. So this particular section, you could add your customers' review. So I'm going to be adding random images and reviews for the sake of this video. So we'll have our first, and I'll take out this heading size regular. This is where you can include your customer's review. So I'll just add a random customer's review here for the sake of this video. Here you go, we've added our customers review on the first one. So this is how it looks like. I'll leave it at the center. Yeah, this looks much better. And save. I'm just repeating the same thing here with different images, so I believe you know what to do. So change it to the text alignment to the center. You can see it looks good. Save. And we'll do the same thing in the third one. So we are done with this part. And don't forget to change the name, as I've left the same name on all the reviews. So here. So moving on, we would like to add right here, we would like to add our newsletter. So you could just type any section you would like to get added again, and it will pop up here. So I just added our newsletter. Here you could change the subscribe button here. Instead of subscribe, you could say join. Yeah, budget. So you could just add your company's name right there, and you'll be asked to upload another banner. So we'll just go ahead and upload a banner. Like I said earlier, you could always change the color of your font or just change the banner, but for the sake of this video, that's what I'll be using. So we're done here. So far this is how our store looks like. Yeah, so we'll have to do something about our footer right here. So let's go down to our footer. So below you'll be asked to upload your logo again right here, and we'll use the same logo on our header. So you can see, because of the color right here, our logo, it's not that obvious, so but we'll leave it at that. But don't forget to use a better logo in your store though. And this particular place, if your store is new, there's no need for you to pick show social media footer, because if I take it will show right here. But if you have a new store, you don't really have a social media present, so there's no need for it. We'll remove this block. We'll get rid of this as well, and rename this courtesy. So what we need to do is to rename this to our guarantee. Below here we could add something like, you can see all here, 247 customer support, 30 days money back guaranteed, free worldwide shipping. And that looks perfect. So we'll go back, add another block. So we'll title this particular one contact. Just add your store phone number, email address. So we are done with our homepage. This is how it all looks, and it looks trustworthy and unique. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to add your product, how to add payment seals, how to add trust badge using codes. and also how to increase the logo on your mobile with code. So if I could show you here on a mobile, you will see that the logo is quite smaller here. To add and increase the size of your logo on mobile. But so for now, we'll be wrapping up this video, and until the next one, please just like, comment, subscribe, and stick around.